Good day, riders, and welcome to Adventure Bike Riders. Today we shall be trying out some parts of section 21 of TET. As you can see now, we are here in La Moraima, and I'm not very sure if it's pretty legal to come down this section, and apart from that it's mainly soft sand, so for sure I won't be doing this part again. If you ought to come down to this area, I would skip this part and go straight to Castellar. So as I was saying before, it's all mainly soft sand, and I thought I was gonna get stuck a few times, so for sure I won't be trying this part again of section 21. So we're back on tarmac now. We shall be passing this town of Gaucin. We shall not be stopping today in Gaucin. We'll continue straight through, and we shall be aiming for the town of Genalguacil, a little white town lost in the middle of the mountains. You can also join the TET track from Benarraba, which I've done in my previous videos. I shall post the link just above now. And yes, as I said, you can join from Benarraba, but we're going to continue on to Genalguacil. So as you can see, that's the exit to Benarraba. I've just posted the link above for that section of the TET track. We just stopped here in Genalguacil. I've come solo riding today. I'll complete a bit more of the track 21 of TET, and as you can see, we're in this beautiful little white town of Genalguacil. Apparently it's a very interesting town. It's got a lot of art and culture, but it's slightly remote, so not many people get to come up here. If you're ever down this area and have the chance, stop by, have a walk in through its narrow streets, and you will find a lot of art and sculptures and so forth. So yeah, as you can see, we're in the middle of the mountains, and that's my BM there. Oops, sorry for that. And as I said, I shall try to complete a bit more of track 21 of TET, and I hope you enjoy this video. So I was driving through the center of the village, so you guys can appreciate its narrow and beautiful streets, and also you'll be able to see some of the sculptures done by the locals. Genalguacil is quite a remote little village, situated in the northern side of the northern slopes of the Sierra de Bermeja, just above Estepona. As you can see, there's quite a lot of artwork and sculptures done by the local inhabitants. I think there's about 500 inhabitants in total, so it's a very quiet and peaceful little village. So if you ever got the chance to visit, make it a point and have a drive up to Genalguacil. You will not regret it, that's for sure. So as you can see now, we are exiting Genalguacil, and we continue down this mountain road for about 15 kilometers to join back into the dirt road. You can see now this is the exit. If you decide to take the route from Benarraba, you'll come out in this exit, and you'll have to continue now on tarmac for about 5 kilometers or so to enter back into the TET route. So we'll take this left now and continue back onto TET. I must say this is one of the most beautiful parts of TET I've done. Got some astonishing views, and you'll see once we get to the bottom. Amazing place, beautiful, just in the middle of the mountains. A nice waterfall there. My BM up there, and I reckon I'm gonna go for a little dip as it's quite warm today. A refreshing dip, and I'll continue back home. I have to go pick up the kids from school, so I'm limited in time. So let's see how much of this TET up I can complete, TET track I can complete, but I will be back for sure. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you've enjoyed my ride. Please remember to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.